we are going to the carpet. I need you to bring your math notebook and your pencil. Go to your seat and show me how you sit on the carpet nicely. Make sure you get your notebook and your pencil. Notebook and your pencil. Go on. Alright, we're going to be facing this way, so make sure you turn your bodies this way. This is just a reminder, you should not be writing anything in your notebook yet. I haven't told you what to write, so just hold on to them tight or sit them in front of you. Kara, just hold on to it.
It's okay.
Alright. Come on over here, Michaela. Okay, guys, what we are going to do is we are going to be adding using dice. Now, we've done this a little bit before, but today, you guys, we're going to practice. We're going to be drawing, and we're going to be writing equations in our notebooks, okay?
Okay.
So the first thing I want you to do is to draw 2 dice, just like this one, and you can draw the dots, just like these dots. So I want you to draw it at the top of your notebook, up here. So draw 2 dice and put the dots in the dice, and I want to see what it looks like when you guys finish. Make sure we do this right. Make sure you draw like the square, put the dot in it, draw another square and put 3 dots in it. Kara. Just move over. You don't need to erase it. Alright, Nora looks good. Wesley's got it. Okay, now what we are going to do is we're going to add those dots, but we're going to be writing an equation. Okay? So, who can tell me what my equation would be for the dice that you drew? Okay, not this one since it accidentally moved. For the one that you drew, you had a dice with 1 dot, and then you had a dice with 3 dots. What would the equation be for that? Let's see. Michaela. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equals what?
4.
4. I want you guys to write that under your dice. Or above it. It's okay. Just write it near your dice so that you know that this equation goes with those dice. Okay. Now, while we do this, I'm going to be moving the dice. I'm going to be rolling the dice, and you guys are going to be drawing and then giving me an equation. And every few minutes, I'm going to have you show your partner, show a neighbor, to see if you guys are getting the same answer, okay? So who's ready to do the next problem? Show me a thumbs up if you're ready. I don't see all my thumbs. All right. Are you ready, Austin? You ready, Lucas?
Yes. Not yet.
All right. A few more seconds, and then we'll go. You ready?
Yep. Yep.
All right.
Lucas is not ready.
We're waiting. Okay. Now I'm going to roll these dice. And I want you guys to draw them. And then I'm going to have somebody tell me what equation you would write for those dice. Kaylee. What do you need? Your pencil will be ready. Okay, I'll get you a pencil. There you go. You can borrow mine. All right. What would our equation be for these dice? Hannah? 2 plus 6 equals 8. Can you come up here and write that for me? Can you show me what that looks like? Watch out. Letter 3. Who else got 2 plus 6 equals 8?
Me.
Abby, can you tell me how you knew 2 plus 6 equals 8? Can you explain to us?
Because I know how to do this.
Well, how do you know? What did you do to get the answer?
I use my fingers.
You used your fingers. Oh. Everybody, let's try to use our fingers. Oh, can we use our fingers for this one? Well, we can do 6, and then how many more are we going to add on? 2 more. 1, 2. So how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or what can we do? Because we know how many's on this hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. We can count on. All right. What's another way? Looking at our dice, what can we do, Kara?
We can count our dice and
What part of the dice? What do you count on the dice?
we can count the dots and then we can count them again and make sure that we got the right number.
Make sure that we got the right number. So what we do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that the easiest way to count them? What's the easiest way to count them? Who can tell me? You can go sit down. Michaela, what number will we start with? Which one do we start with? 6. And then we would say 7, 8. Okay, does everybody have this drawn with the equation written?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go on to the next one. This next one, I'm going to roll the dice. You guys need to draw it and write your equation, and then I'm going to have you share with your partner, okay?
Woo!
So we're going to say you have 1 piece of bubble gum, and your friend gave you 2 more pieces of bubble gum. How many pieces of bubble gum do you have? Draw your dice and write your equation. Nevaeh, can you scoot up a little bit so Derek can get in? Derek, you can start. Scoot up a little bit, okay? All right. I'm watching. I'm going to give you a few seconds to get it written down, and then I'm going to have you share with your partner or with somebody sitting next to you. Okay, Michaela, can you see it? Right up there. You're going to draw those dice. Let me see. Did you draw your dice? You got to draw your dice. All right, write your equation. Dice. Draw your dice just like you did up here. Draw this number. All right, now write your equation, okay? How many dots do you have there? 1 plus how many on the next one? 2 equals how many altogether? How many? 3. Okay, guys, go ahead and share with somebody sitting next to you what you wrote. See if your equation matches their equation. All right, turn around and work with them, okay? What'd you get? What'd you guys get? Oh, are they the same? Did you guys get the same answer? Did you get the same answer? Eli, did you get the same answer? Where's your answer? 1 plus 2 equals how many? How many dots do you have?
5.
How many? Plus 1 more equals... Alright, so you have equals 3. Here. Derek, you get it? Okay. Work with these two. Work right here. Alright, Derek. got that? Did you get that? Justin, did you get that? How do we check our answer? How do we check our answer, Wesley? By counting on. So what number are we going to start with? 2. We're going to count on, guys. 3. Austin, I need your attention. Okay, 3. All right. I'm going to roll it again. Are you ready for the next one? Hold on. How many pieces of bubble gum did you have? 3. All right. All right. Draw your dice. Write your equation. I want to see you try by yourself before you look at a neighbor's, okay? Do yours by yourself first. Whose is it? All right. Is that yours, Eli? Oh, excuse me. All right. How many are you going to draw first? Oh, you already got them. Okay. Now you need to write your equation. How many do you have here? All right. 2. Plus how many here? Plus. How many here? Okay. 2 plus 4 equals how many are there all together? All right. Now you can see if he got the same answer. Did he get the same answer? All right. See if she got the same answer. Okay, guys, go ahead and check your neighbors. See if you guys got the same answer. If you did not get the same answer, try again. Okay, you guys draw your dice. Okay, draw your dice down there. All right, now how many is in the first dice? 2. So there's dots in there. All right, now write your 2 in there. Now draw your other dice. Draw it right here beside it. Beside it. All right, how many dots are in the second dice? All right, so draw your dots. All right, now you're going to write plus. Plus how many here? 4. No, yes, you need to write the equation. Plus, now write 4. 4 equals how many all together? Good job. How many? Count. All right, so that equals 6. And see if that's what your partner got. Okay, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Wow. I almost got all eyes the first time. Good job, guys. Who could tell me what their equation is? Nevaeh, what was your equation? Actually, can you just come write your equation? Come write it up here. And let's see, everybody check and see if you got the same thing that she's going to write. All right, Nevaeh, can you read it to us?
2 plus 4 equals 6.
Raise your hand if you got that same equation. Almost everybody. Good job. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
All right, let's do one more together, and then you guys are going to get to go back to your seats to do it with a partner, okay? All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let me erase this. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, draw your dice. Write your equation. Courtney, Matthew, draw your dice and write your equation. Okay. So what are you going to draw first? How many are right there? 2. So you're going to draw dice with 2. All right, try it on your own first. Try it on your own first.
I did it because I'm so
Let me see. Where's your equation? Okay, write your equation. Let me see. All right, check your answer. Am I in the way? All right, who has their equation written already? All right, a few more seconds for the people who still need to write their equation, and then I'm going to let you share with your neighbor.
Austin, did you write the equation?
What? Let me see. All right, good job. Let me see for me. Good job. Let me see, Matthew. Uh-oh. You need to erase from here. Or all this one. You're sharing. Thank you. Let me see your equation. Write your equation here. Under it. Maybe. Let me see. Get it? Did you get it, Lucas? Austin, let me see yours. Where's your dice? Oh, there it is. Okay. You gotta write plus. Write plus. Right here. Okay, share with your partner what you got. Okay, share your equation. Alright, now check your problem with Abby's and see if it's the same. See if it's the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Good job. Okay. Whitney, can you come up here and write the equation that you got for these dice? Oh, guys, you should be looking. Check your work. See if you got what she got. Christopher, are you checking your work? You gotta check it. All right, Whitney. Read us your equation.
2 plus 5 equals 7.
All right, take a second, check that. Who got 2 plus 5 equals 7? Austin, did you get that? Yes, you did. We just worked on it. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Christopher, is that what you got? Is that what you got? Okay. I just want to make sure everybody check their work. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay. Now, everybody, turn your bodies. Turn your bodies this way. Quickly, Nevaeh. Turn your body this way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We are going back to our seats, and you guys are going to be doing the same thing that you did over here, okay? So you are going to have a dice, and your partner is going to have a dice, and you guys are going to add them together. So I have a question. Nora, I have a question. Hold on. I'm going to wait. Christopher, Jasper, Matthew. Okay. Is the equation that you write going to be the same or different than the problem your partner writes? Michaela? The same! Because you are going to be working together. Callie, do you understand that? You're going to be working as a team. Okay? So you're going to have the same thing on your paper that your partner has on their paper. Alright? We need to practice some more. So, I'm going to hand you a die, and you are going back to your seat. I will tell you who your partner is, okay? Go to your seat.
I want to be Abby.
I'll tell you where to go. Hold on 1 second. Oh, shh. Here.
I want to be Abby.
Here. Go back to your seat. Back to your chair when you get your dice.
I want to be Abby.
chair. Can somebody sit here?
Here. You don't pick your partner. I just said I will tell you who you work with. Put your dice on your notebook. I want to see who can do that fast. Dice on your notebook. Eyes on Miss Armstrong. All right, who's listening? Who's ready? What person is going to tell me they're ready? There we go. 2, 3, 4. All right. I see some people who are showing me with their heads down that they're ready. What you guys are going to do is you're going to roll your dice, and you're going to draw how many dots on your dice. And then your partner is going to roll their dice, and then you're going to draw what they roll too, okay? Then you need to write an equation, just like we did on the board, okay? Michaela, you guys are going to be partners. Jasper and Whitney. Nevaeh, can you come work with Clarissa? Hannah, can you come work with Hannah and Lucas? Wesley and Courtney. Eli and Hannah, switch spots. Eli and Hannah, switch spots. Eli, you're going to work with Lucas. Hannah, you're going to work with Dustin. Nora and Kara, Abby and Matthew. Callie and Tayon. Kaylee and Christopher, can you switch spots? Kaylee and Christopher, switch spots. Kaylee, you're going to work with Austin. Christopher, you're going to come work with Layla. And
That's okay, do what Ms. Armstrong says.
that's okay. That's okay. Kaylee's going to work with Austin. And you two are going to work together, okay? Does everybody have a partner now? All right. You may start. Who needs a dice? You got dice? Where's the dice? That's probably yours. Okay. All right. What you guys are going to do, since I don't have another dice, is Callie, you're going to roll, then you're going to draw that, and then you're going to roll, and then you're going to draw yours, okay? Just like you did here. So draw hers first, and then draw yours. And then add them together.
We're supposed to fill it down page.
There we go.
Alright, so you guys have to do the same thing. Page, Eric?
Yes, draw the
Why don't
dice.
you flip to your
Write your
page?
equation.
Okay, flip to your page.
Yeah. There you go, right there. Yep. You can go on a new page,
Alright,
guys. Go on a
so
new
you guys both need
page.
to roll your dice. Roll your dice. So you need to draw a 4 and a 2. Okay, you want to draw those.
All right. Go ahead and get started.
Right up here.
Right, so you draw what you roll.
So give me
You
a
roll
break to
three,
draw the dice.
and then draw.
Okay, now draw your dice up here.
Draw the dice with 3 dots.
Tayon, you okay?
Draw the 2.
All right, now draw your All right, now you roll your dice with whatever on your notebook.
Let's make sure. So now you're going to do we left the class and draw it.
So you guys have right there.
You guys know
All right, so you don't need to
roll the dice, draw the dice, and then write your equation, okay?
All right, now you have to draw 2. All right, you guys are supposed to draw the 2. Okay, make sure you draw your dice. You have the same answer as your partner. Is this your roll two? How many ducks did you have there? Take your answer. Count those again, okay? How many here? You have? 5. Okay. Now roll again. Roll again. All right, you're gonna have to roll yours. All right. 6. You're gonna draw your dice on 6. And you need to draw his dice too. So draw 6 for him, and then look. Wesley, look what she got. She got 16. How many dice are you gonna draw? 2 dice. Draw them up there, and then you need to write your equation. Where's your dice? I don't see your pictures. I need a picture. I got 40 dice. Here she's drawing the dice. 6 is like, draw your dice up. How many dice are you going to draw dice for 1? Alright. Now how many dice are you going to get in it? I see that. You can draw your dice a little bit bigger if you need more space for your dice, okay? Alright, 6 plus 3. Different. Can you explain how they're different? You get the same equation. So he just put 3 first. Alright, let me see. Roll your dice. Keep going. Keep going. Roll it again. What? Alright, draw that one. You roll again. You draw that one. She's drawing it. She got 3. And you got 1. So you need to draw it. Okay? Alright. You what? Where's your 1? I don't see your die. I don't see your dice or your equation. You did 1. You need to do some more. Okay? So draw this one. Where's your pencil? Alright. Draw it for me. I want to see you do this one. Where's your dice? Alright. You need to put it on the table. Okay. You can do that one again. You can roll again. Okay? Do you want to roll it instead of me? Roll it again. Roll it, Jasper. Do you want to work on your own? You want to do this by yourself and I'll be Whitney's partner? No? Okay, then come on. She needs a partner. You can't just sit there. She's waiting. Alright, there we go. Roll it. Alright. How many do you have? 2. So draw it. Draw your dice. She's waiting. Oh, she's already drawing. And she's going to write her equation. Well, you can roll again and try and get 6 in a minute, okay? Alright, after this one, you roll again and then you can see if you get 6. Alright? That's the point of rolling. You never know what you're going to get. Alright? 3, 1, 4. You never know. 3. Okay, so draw that for me, okay? Draw it for me. I want to see your work. Let me see it. Go back on 2 where you had it, okay? I'm going to going to check, okay? You do it for me? All right, I'm going to come back. All right, let me see, girls. All right, let me see what she has. Does she have the same thing? All right, where's your dice? You got to draw your dice. Well, you got to draw it. Remember, like we were doing on the carpet? You got your dice? All right. Are these the ones that you've done together? Okay. Did she have some on a different paper? Did you run out of room on that side? Okay. Then keep going on this side. That's okay. You can go to the next page. Okay, draw your dice. Here, draw your dice under your number. So your equation's going to be on top and your dice are going to be on the bottom. So draw your square. Alright, now put your dots in it. How many? Oh, how many in here do you have? 3. So how many dots you can have?
Really?
Okay. Now, what's the other number?
I cut it off too.
Did you have a 3 too? Did you both roll 3? Yeah. Alright, you got to leave the dice there until you're finished with that problem. So now write 3 plus, what number? Here. 3 plus... How many's there? How many's there? Count them. Alright. We're going to work that together. Alright. And 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3. Alright. Okay, Jasmine, we're not going to pick our numbers. Okay? You got to roll the dice. Do you want me to have her roll both of them? And you can just write it? You rolled 4. Alright, she rolled 4. Let's see what you rolled. A 2. Okay, now you're going to draw 2. Alright, draw this one. That's okay. Did you already do 2 plus 4? No, you did 2 plus 3. So you get 2 plus 4 is a different equation. Okay? So draw it on your paper. There you go. It's okay. Yes. Good job, Jen. Is it working? Let me see yours. Where's your number? Wait a minute, right here. And then we're adding those numbers together, okay? Yeah, she has that. Where's your dice, Nora? Okay, now let's look at it. What you do? Yes. That's the answer. All right, now roll it again. Roll it again. Shake it up. Shake it up with your hand. Drop it on the paper. All right, here's his. So 1, and now he rolled 2. You keep getting 2. I know it must be your lucky number. All right, so you need to write it just like this. Write your equation. Draw your dice. Where's your dice? You gotta leave it so you can see it. Well, you can't see it if you're holding it. Yeah. He was answering the last problem. 5 plus. How many? How many did you write? Draw. 2. Derek, how come you don't have this one? Did y'all roll that? Did you roll it? You gotta write that one. 5. Where's your dice? Where's your dice? 5 and 2. Where's your dice? You gotta draw them. You gotta draw the dice. See how we were drawing up here? You can't do it with your fingers, but what can you do it with? Can you count on the dice? Yep. All right, he's coming. Hey. Did you roll that one? All right. Over here. Let's start over, okay? So he rolled a 1. So write your 1. You gotta draw your dice, okay? Draw your dice. Put the dots on there. Now you roll yours, Jaden. Roll yours. How many did you get? How many is that? 5. So write your 5. So do it up here. You roll a 1 and you roll a 5. Alright, now draw the other one, Derek. Good job. Alright, keep working. You drew the other dice. Alright, now write your equation. How many? 1. Wait till she's done, okay? 7. 5. If you add 1 more to 5, you have 5, 6. So that's your answer. See if that's what you want. Is that what you want? Did you get 1 plus 5 equals 6? Yeah. Alright, roll again. Roll again. Alright, 6 plus 4. Alright. Write it and draw it. Alright. Plus. How many? How many did she get? 6. Keep working. Put your dice where your name tag would be, please. And then put your ass back on me. Should take like 5 seconds. Go sit down. I'll be back. Go sit down, okay? All right. We are going to do a couple more from the board, but this time it's going to be a small quiz. Who can tell me what that means? What does that mean? What voice level, Whitney? 0. What else do we know when we take a quiz, Michaela? might get the answer wrong. And then guess who else gets the answer wrong?
Me.
You. And you might know how to do it, right? Yeah. Okay, so go ahead. Close your notebooks. Close your notebooks. I walked around. I checked. All right. Put your head down when your notebook is closed. I am bringing around... Wesley. I'm bringing around your paper. I just want you to put your name at the top, okay? Name at the top. Here you go. Put your name at the top. Whoop, whoop. Jasper, what I... Yes, write your name at the top. That was directions. What I asked you to be on 0. I'll get you a eraser in a second. 0. Dustin, 0. We have enough. Put your notebooks in the middle of your table in the basket. Put them in the basket. Okay, boys and girls. I see that Derek was ready. He had his head down. He was waiting for directions. Go ahead and take yours back to your seat. Okay, let's do that chair. Go take your chair. All right. Take your chair back to your seat. Careful. Try not to hit anybody with it. All right. Matthew, scoot back over towards your seat a little bit. Callie, turn your body this way. Scoot over to your seat. All right. Justin, scoot over to your seat. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
1, 2. Eyes on you.
All right. I'm waiting for all eyes to be on me. Kara. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to roll both dice. What you are going to do is you are going to draw your dice, and then you need to write, what do you think? And what? An equation. Okay? So, your equation needs to match what your picture shows. We're going to do 3 problems, okay? Here's the first one. I shouldn't hear any talking because we're taking a quiz. Okay? I hear you talking, I'm going to move you. Here's the first problem. Go ahead and draw it and write your equation. Yes, you draw the dice, you write the equation. You don't need all these. Go ahead and get to work. Get to work. Kayla, do you have the paper on the board? You do or don't?
Equation you need to do.
Don't. Okay, let me get you one. I shouldn't hear any voices. Should not hear any voices. There you go. Put your name at the top. You draw the picture just like we did during the lesson. Draw the picture, write the equation. Go ahead, Miss Austin, get to work. What are you doing? You don't need that. Go ahead. All right. Cover it up when you're finished. All right, you gotta keep writing. You need to write the symbol in there too. Yes, you draw it and you write the equation. Eli, don't worry about that. You need to get to work. Get to work. Alright, draw a picture. Alright, I'm just going to give you a few more minutes and then I'm going to be switching the dice. to the next problem. Marissa. That's all, you're ready. Check your work. Okay, sit on your bottom. Sit on your bottom. You don't need that. Okay, raise your hand if you are still working on this problem. Okay, a few more seconds. Keep working. A few more seconds. Okay, sit down. Lucas, sit down. Dice over here. That's it. Good. All right. Matthew, are you finished now? Yeah. Michaela D, are you finished now? No? All right. Thank you. I know. It's so fun to see. Okay. Got it? Okay. I'm going to roll the dice. Go to the next box on your paper. The next box is where you do this equation. Okay. Dustin, just do the work, okay? Raise your hand if you're still working on this problem. Okay, a few more seconds. Sit down, Courtney. Sit down. Okay. Alright, is anybody still working on this one? Alright, this is the last one. Go to the next box. As up here, I'm going to go ahead and switch our dice, roll our dice. Alright, last one. When you're finished with this problem, turn your paper over so I know you're ready. Put your head down. When you're finished with this one, turn your paper over and put your head down. Austin, are you working on it? And this box down here, okay? Make sure you're drawing your picture and writing your equation. Keep going. You're fine. Make sure your name is on the front before you turn it over.
When you're finished, flip it over on the back. Put your head down. Austin, you still working?
I love how quiet it is in here. You guys are doing a great job. Great job. Oh, that doesn't mean talk yet. I'm giving you a compliment.
You're finished. Your paper's been flipped over, Nora.
Put your name on the paper. Put your name on your paper. Okay, guys, you may put your books back in the middle of your table. Put your name on your paper. Put your name on your paper. And we are about to get ready for music. Jasper, write your name. Write your name. Write your name. Thank you, Lucas.